our back are some bridges, excuse me. And listen, I'm not complaining because it's cold outside, but that sun is nice and warm. So if I start sweating a lot, it's obviously because I'm working very hard to stop the sun. So we're gonna do single leg. We're gonna go 10 bridges on either side. So I want you to pull, I'll do this side first. I want you to pull your heel close enough to your butt, if you're flexible enough, that you could touch your heel with your hand, okay? It doesn't have to be touching, but it also just shouldn't be way out here, okay? So as best you can, and I want you to put most of the weight in the heel of that foot, okay? I'm gonna put my hands here. You can put your hands here wherever you'd like, okay? And I'm gonna cross my right leg. So all I'm gonna do from here is tighten up my abs, squeeze my bum, push my hip up, squeeze this butt cheek, and I'm gonna lower. I'm not gonna touch the ground. I'm gonna hike up. I'm gonna do 10 on the left and 10 on the right, okay? So I'm gonna, again, multitask. I'm getting a good stretch. So I'm basically doing a little bit of a glute stretch on this side, perform a stretch, as I activate this hip. So I'm multitasking, trying to really make sure that my glutes are awake while I try to stretch this guy out as well. Also, the pressure I'm applying here is helping keep my hip in the right spot, or it was supposed to be, and applying a little bit of pressure. Good. 9. And one more. All right, other side. So same thing. Again, pull that heel up. Try to make sure that most of the weight's in the heel of that foot. Cross this leg over. Try to keep your hips square. So what I mean by that is make sure you're not leaning. So when you lift up, make sure that you're not tilting, okay? You try to keep your hips in your belly button pointing up at the ceiling, kind of like this, okay? And again, I'm gonna lower down and I'm gonna hike up. And I'm gonna focus on really engaging through my right glute, okay? Now I know I'm tighter on the left hip, so I can feel the stretch a little bit more all through this hip with my left leg crossed, which is great. But now I really wanna focus on making sure that my right glute turns on, okay? So remember, your glutes are part of your core. I know every time people say they want to do core work, they're just thinking about their abs, but I mean, these guys are powerhouses. If they don't function very well, any injury can occur from knees, through lower back, through anything I can think of, actually. Everything's related to your butt, okay? Good, one more.